In this video, I will show you how to add headers and footers in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Headers and footers are mainly used when printing your sheet or saving it as a PDF, so we'll access them through the print settings. To begin, go to the top menu, click on File, then select Print. This will open the print preview screen. On the right-hand side, look for the section called Headers and Footers. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you can choose what information to display. You can add page numbers, the current date, the sheet name, or the workbook title. Simply check the boxes for the items you want to include. If you want to add custom text, look for the Edit Custom Fields option. This allows you to type your own header or footer, such as a company name, report title, or notes. Once you've set everything, check the preview on the left side to make sure it looks correct. After that, you can continue to print your sheet or save it as a PDF with the header and footer included. Adding headers and footers is very useful for reports, making your document look more professional and easier to organize, especially when printed. So that's how to add headers and footers in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.